Hey, what's up guys? This is the rub ball. It's a soft textured rubber massaging vibrating ball for a targeted and more unique way to get a deep tissue massage therapy. I would say this is a hybrid between a foam roller and a massage gun. It's the perfect solution to have. It's very lightweight, it's compact, and it only weighs about 1 kilogram. It comes in 2 colors, black and this one, which is a turquoise, what they call greenish blue, and I think that looks really nice. So today I'm going to give you a sample massage therapy using this vibrating ball, run through a bit about the specs and how to use it. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, I just wanted to mention that this can be used by anyone of all shapes and sizes, and you can pretty much target any of your muscle groups that need attention. So like I mentioned, it weighs 1 kilogram and you can use it for pretty much any area of your body, and I'm going to showcase a lot of samples for you as well. The one thing I'd also like to mention is that it has 4,200 RPM as its maximum speed of the vibrations, which I think is amazing because a lot of the massage guns I've used, they max out at around 3,200. So this has 3 levels of speed. What I'll do is I'll showcase to you the different levels. And right, so to turn on the device, you just hold down the power button. You'll see some LED indicators. You'll get 1 red and 4 green LED indicators determining the battery life. Now this can be fully charged in about 2 hours, but it will also give you 2 hours of usage on the maximum level, and you can get more if you go onto the lowest level. So there's 3 lights that I've not turned on. There's level 1, 2 and 3, 3 being the maximum 4,200 RPM. And if I just showcase to you, this is level 1. If you guys can see it vibrating a little bit, it's very quiet, by the way. One thing I really like about this is that the noise levels on this is the quietest I've seen on any type of massaging vibrating device. If I go to level 2, it's a little bit more stronger, and then level 3, you can see it's quite powerful, and this is to really find those deep knots in your muscles that you want to iron out. So I'm going to test it on level 3 as well, give you guys a showcase, but I'm also going to show you what areas to use it on level 1. One thing I recommend is that you should deplete the battery all the way down to the red zone before you recharge it. In the box you get yourself the DC adapter charger, which you plug in there, and then you also have a user manual giving you some information about how to use this and how to massage different areas of your body, which I think is very useful. So now let's go ahead and give you some sample massage therapy tips on this. So I have it on level 1. You can use this on your arms. So if you just roll it or just hold it in place to vibrate your arm and just smoothen out all of those tightness in those muscles, then you can do that. You can just simply roll it. You can use the top of your arms, even on the side of your arms, including the biceps and the triceps. You can go a little bit faster to level 2 and just hold it in place, and it feels very nice and it's very easy to do. Next, you can also use this for your lower back. This is perfectly fine to use on both level 1 and level 2, but if you want to go a little bit deeper, then level 3 would be absolutely fine as well. You turn it on, you just put it on your lower back and you place yourself against the wall. Once it's on, then you can just clench like this. You can move side to side and you'll feel it, and it will feel really nice if you do have lower back pain. Of course, if you have severe lower back pain, then I would recommend you consult your physician or doctor as well. This is not by no means a medical device to fix all of your problems outside of just general muscle aches. As well as your lower back, you can actually move this to the top of your upper back. So just position it on the wall, and then you can just either do little squats to iron those muscles or move side to side. Or even if you just hold your arm out like this and then move your arms to the right hand side, you'll be able to twist those muscles to get a little bit deeper and hold the ball still. So very easily you can target various different areas of your back. The other key thing to remember, guys, is that if you are going to use this, don't use it on the hard floor. Make sure you have a carpet or ideally a mat. So I'm using a yoga mat here as well. So I'm going to use this on lower part of my body and showcase to you on the soft mat how to use this for different areas of your legs. So let's take a look. If you do a lot of walking or you do a lot of running, naturally your feet will start to ache, and this is perfect to just place under the ball of your feet. All you have to do is apply a little bit of pressure, stand on it a tiny bit, hold it there while it's vibrating, and you'll be able to soothe out some of those aches. Ideally, I would recommend moving from heel to toe like this, and you'll really be able to get rid of that pain. And I feel like it's already doing a great job in that sense. Here's a way to target your calves. Just place it under, and like a foam roller, you just move backwards and forwards with your calves, ironing out those muscles. Likewise, similarly, you can do that for your hamstrings. Just place it underneath there, slide backwards and forwards. For your glutes, just place it underneath that. Get a nice circular motion, or move backwards and forwards again. You can even target your outer thighs and your hips by just placing it on the side of your body. For your quads, you can do a couple of different things. You can lie on top of it with your quads being rolled, much like a foam roller, so you go backwards and forwards. Or you can sit down, turn the device on and just roll it on top of your quads, or you just have it on a high speed. You just hold it down and target the specific area of your quad that needs loosening. In addition to all of that, you can also use it for your shoulders as well. You just hold it in place, it vibrates everything, and it starts to loosen those knots in those areas, which I think is great, and I probably will use it for this more than any of the other areas. Likewise, you can use it for your rotator cuffs as well, and even your chest area. So pretty much there's endless possibilities of where you can use this to get really good deep tissue massage therapy. So I'm pretty happy with this, guys. I can get around 2 to 3 hours of battery life in this. It does have an inbuilt 2600 milliamp hour battery. It does the job great. I feel so much looser now, especially in my legs. I feel like I'm ready to go do another workout, or I can go for a long run. This is the perfect type of thing to target any type of areas of your body. And the size of this is perfect. It's compact. You just chuck it in your gym bag and you're ready to go and train. So that's it, guys. This comes in at $129 on the Rugball website. I've got the link down below if you want to go check it out. And if there's anything else you guys want to know, make sure you ask in the comments down below. Otherwise, I hope you subscribe. I do tons of really cool gadget videos like this. I hope you like this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Take care.
Yeah.